how to browse effects on Instagram. If you're an Instagram user and love using cool filters and effects, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to easily browse and discover new effects on Instagram. First things first, open up the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture or the camera icon in the top left to open the camera for stories or reels. This is where all the fun comes with effects starts. Next, swipe through the effects. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a bunch of different effects and you can scroll left or right to preview them. But what if you want even more options? To find even more effects, simply tap on magnifying glass on the right side. And here at the bottom, as you can see, browse effects, simply tap on it. From here, you can find various effects and explore all the effects as well. You can also use the search bar to simply search for a specific effect, as for example, let's say funny face. Now here you can simply find various related to the effect. Once you found an effect you like, just tap on it to try it out and you can preview how it looks, and if you like it you can save it on your camera roll for later by simply tapping over here. And that's it. Now you know how to browse and discover cool effects on Instagram.